Hello all. It's too late to record a video, but still I'm recording the video. It's 7:20 p.m. and uh, we took two trades today in the demo account. Actually three. Actually four trades in the demo account today, and two. I took two, but then I closed the orders soon because I realized that we backtested only Euro USD and not GBP USD, and GBP USD gives us, takes more commission from us. Okay, so, uh, but that doesn't mean it doesn't work. And for some reason, I just closed both trades inside GBP USD itself, and it actually worked out. Okay, in the end one worked out, one went the other direction because they were actually hedged. Okay, and again, if you see this trade, if we took this trade, we would have won the trade. Okay, it's not about, I don't care about missing this trade. Okay, I saw it, I did not take it. Okay, it's my wish, I did not take it. Okay, this exact same trade in Euro USD we took, which gave us a loss. Okay, that is not the point. The point is, uh, we got another trade. This one, we have a fair value gap here. It swept this. Okay, and it went up, gave break of structure, fair value gap, clean order block. We took a trade here, and then it blasted all the way up. Okay, and obviously I closed it at 1:2. But the good thing about this is that the commissions for this were just um, around 30 rupees. Okay, as you can see, only 30 rupees, and the previous trade was 139 rupees. Okay, and the Euro USD trade was 89 rupees. That's not a problem, but then this is not great. Okay, 139 rupees. So GBP USD most likely not trade. Okay, but this is just, one thing. But the main important thing was, um, Bitcoin gave us the exact um, trade, and we missed it. This one we genuinely missed, and that was because of these multiple scalping opportunities that were present. So I had to look at this, and I missed Bitcoin's price action. Okay, so as you can see, we have this tiny fair value gap here, break of structure here, and he did not use the fair value gap before making a push to the downside. Okay, but and it came back after the break of structure, tapped it, and went all the way to 1:6 or more, something like that. Okay, and also, and this is above the Asian session, and here if you see, we have one two swings, and that is not considered in our rule, so it has to make that. Let me be clear, it has to do this and not uh, this. This is not allowed. Okay, but here, as you can see, clearly made 1 2 3 4 5 6, and this can be considered low. Okay, actually had another scalping opportunity here. So if you see, as a 15 minutes order block clearly. Okay, and then if you see, it tapped into the 15 minutes order block. Okay, and at the same time it swept some liquidity, gave a push to the downside, and then this is our order block. Okay, 5 minutes order block, and if we took a trade here, we would have gone 1:3, I guess, but we do not care about that. We will be closing it at 1:2 itself. But the thing is, I did not recognize this. And if you go to the chart of Bitcoin and see how much the commissions were, see that barely anything, just 29 rupees, and same thing for gold is just 30 rupees. Okay, so the good thing about these two pairs is that they take very very little commissions from us, and at the same time we could aim 1:2, 1:3, or even just 1:2 and just be happy with it and need not care about the commissions, because when we are trading just 1:2 and let's say we won the trade, then that means we are not just risking 500 to make 1000, we're actually risking 600 to make 900 if we are trading euro USD and GBP USD. And GBP USD even more, I think we'll be risking 650, and this is risking 650 for making 850 because it's around 130 rupees. Okay, not all the time, sometimes it's lower, but most of the time it's above 100 rupees. Okay, but euro USD is like around 90 rupees, 80 rupees, so that is okay. But that's not the best thing for scalping, because the win rate for this is almost close to 50%, around 55%. And after removing losses from the profits, we'll have very less. And after that, if we remove commissions, we'll be with a lot less. And it's not, I don't think it's worth the headache. Okay. Um, so, and also the main important thing is that we missed this trade. We did not take this trade, and that's because it's too hard to track every single pair for the scalping strategy. Okay, it's too difficult to track every single. See, as you can see, there are so many points of interest on our fair value gap, on our order block. Then there's a 15 minutes order block somewhere here, then fair value gap again, then 1 hour order block, then fair value gap, then 1 hour order block. And if there is no specific point of liquidity that we are interested in, then that means every swing point will be a liquidity and a liquidity zone. And trading that, the random sweep strategy, trading that would be extremely difficult, and I have to be glued to the charts all the time. I have to be glued to the charts all the time, and that's not what really trading is all about. Okay, it's about freedom and all that. Okay, I get that. Okay, maybe you could just hustle, but how long is that going to be sustainable? The main goal of trading is to have freedom, have time, and if you are glued to the charts on all four pairs, just keep looking out for point of interest, points of liquidity, and then keep trading every single one of them, and then moving them to break even after it reaches 1:1 or whatever it may be. It's just too much work for such low returns, which is after commissions. So what I'm thinking is we can stick to um, for the Asian sweep and London sweep, we can stick to 4 pairs or 3 pairs. And for just scalping, we can stick to gold and Bitcoin. Okay, but the thing is, we have not backtested gold and Bitcoin, so we'll have to backtest that for the same month just to see how different it is from Euro USD. And if it's close to Euro USD, then we will continue with the plan, or if it's very bad, terrible, then I think we'll go back to Euro USD, remove gold and Bitcoin from our scalping, or maybe just ditch the scalping thing entirely. Okay, but the thing is, today gold worked. We don't know if it might work in the long run, but let's just backtest a month of gold. And it was I've never been glued to the charts for this long in a long time. Okay, I used to be like that 1.5 years back when I was trading options. So I would be sitting from morning 9:15 to 3:30, and I can't believe I did more than that. I sat down at 7:30, 8 o'clock, and then actually got out from the um, computer only at around 2:30, and then I came back at 4 o'clock or something like that. And then I think I remember, I don't know when I came back and took the trade. Yeah, at 4 o'clock, and then I took this trade. So basically, too much screen time for something that will give us very low returns. So only if the returns are good, it's worth sitting and trading this scalping strategy. So that's why I'm thinking we'll use gold and Bitcoin because they have very low commissions. So let's backtest that and decide what to do from now on. Okay.